we will show you how to connect Meta Embedded Sign Up with Outperform. Log into your Outperform account, click on the top right icon, click Connect Now, log into your Facebook business account, click Continue, click Get Started. In this step, you are required to complete all details specified by Meta. For this demo, we will start with a new WhatsApp phone number. Click Next, and then Next. For category, please choose Others. Next, and then add a new number. Choose the prefix and key in your phone number. For the verification method, please choose phone call. Click Next. Enter your verification code that you receive via a phone call. Click Next. Click Confirm. Wait for your account to finish connecting. Click Finish. Upon successful integration, Outperform will automatically create a chat instant for the connected WhatsApp number. To verify, navigate to the conversation page. Within the drop-down list on the left, select the WhatsApp number that you have just connected. Finally, perform a simple test by sending a WhatsApp message to the connected phone number. If the integration is successful, the message will appear in the conversation page within Outperform.